What's up everyone out there? Today I'm going to show you how to get started investing into cryptos. And this is going to be a beginner's tutorial. We're going to use Coinbase because Coinbase is the easiest exchange to start with. Now, just so you know, there are a lot of exchanges, but only a few of them allow you to trade your currency, such as US dollars, for crypto. And so there are alternatives to Coinbase, but Coinbase is the most popular and the easiest, so it's a great starting point. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is get an account with Coinbase. If you don't have one yet, use my link in the description below because it will give you $10 in free Bitcoin with your first $100 purchase. And we both get $10, so it helps us both out. So click on that link and get your account set up, even if you're not wanting to buy Bitcoin today or whatever, Ethereum or Litecoin, which are the only three cryptos besides Bitcoin Cash that you can buy on Coinbase. Even if you don't want to buy today, go ahead and get your account set up because sometimes it can be a hassle. Once you have your account set up, you're going to see the screen we're looking at right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you how it's done. So I want to buy, so I'm going to come over here to buy. I'm going to click on Litecoin, and you see I've set it up. You have to set up your payment methods. This is my checking account, and this is my debit card. So let's say I'm going to go with my checking account right here, and then I'm going to buy $500 worth of Litecoin, and you'll see it says instantly available. I don't know if Coinbase just changed this, but the way they were doing it before is from your checking account, it would take like 5 business days or something for it to become available. And the fees for the checking account are cheaper than the fees for your debit card. So that was the pros and cons before, but now if it's this, they're both available instantly, regardless of whether you choose your checking account or to pay with your debit card. You might as well go with your checking account because the fees are less. I'm going to show you in another video how to buy stuff on Coinbase and GDAX, which is this site. It's also owned by Coinbase. You can actually trade on there without paying a fee, but it does take a little time. You can't buy it instantly like I'm doing right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and buy it now and pay the fee. So I did $500, and all I'm going to do is click buy, confirm everything's right for my checking account, Litecoin, everything looks good, confirm buy. It took me too long because I'm explaining it. So at least the price went down. I'll go ahead and try it again. Alright, that's all. Thanks you guys for watching. Again, check out my other videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. I've got lots of great videos about cryptos, such as getting your own Trezor wallet set up, which is ultimately what you want to do for the maximum security so you don't get your cryptos stolen or lost in an exchange. You don't want to hold your cryptos in Coinbase any longer than you need to, so check out my Trezor wallet video. You can get it in a link below. And have yourself a wonderful day. Good luck with your crypto investments, guys. Cryptos are changing the world, so I think you're on a great path. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.